Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export code from Google AI Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Now, once we're over at Google AI Studio, make sure to sign into your account or create a new account. Now, above your account name, we want to go ahead and click on the Build tab. Then from here, click onto your apps and then find which app you'd like to copy code from. So I've got one here called a Smart Weight Loss Tracker app. Now, once this has loaded up, we want to go ahead and click on Show Code Editor, like so. Now, from here, you can go ahead and make changes directly to the code. Now, if you want to go ahead and download and export the code, there's a download option on the top right-hand corner, so you can download as a .zip file. And then once you download it, it's going to be obviously downloaded to your downloads in your computer.